How to remove pin from posts on Instagram. Hey guys, so let's just go ahead and open up our Instagram app. And from here, let's click on our profile icon at the bottom right hand corner to get to our profile page, and so we can see all our posts on Instagram. So for example, I'm gonna pin this specific photo I posted before. So you can open up that photo and click on this three-dotted icon at the top right part of that post. And you should be able to see the option that says pin to your profile. So tap on that, and then it will say that your post has been pinned. So let's go back, and as you can see, I already have 3 pinned images right on my profile. So to remove the pin from my post, you can click on that specific pinned post, click on this 3-dotted icon again, and you should be able to see the unpin from your profile option. So you can do that, and it will say that your post has been unpinned. You can do this on the other pinned posts as well. So click on the 3-dotted icon, click on unpin from your profile, and do this as well on the other pinned post on your profile. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.